Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another Binance event. How about earning a share of 1 Bitcoin, 10 BNB coins or 10,000 Binance USD? To keep up with more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts. Now let's get started. Binance is well known for its generous offers to its community. We have shared many Binance events with you in our channel, and as expected, Binance brought a new game for this year's Halloween. The event will last 8 more days and you must complete your KYC process before participating. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can sign up with the link below this video to receive lifetime discounts on your transaction fees. Also, you can watch our Binance tutorials to learn how to use this platform and complete your KYC process. You will be eligible to share from this pool if you can rank within the top 100 users. The winner will get 1 Bitcoin, meanwhile the second to 11th receive 1 BNB coin per person. From the 12th till the 100th shares the prize pool of 10,000 Binance USD. The game is simple and you can use your PC browser or the Binance app from your mobile phone to play this game. Also, you can find the event link below this video. The game is a reflex test. Here it explains that there are 2 types of characters as monsters and ghosts and pumpkins for extra candies. For each ghost you tap on, you will get 6 candies as a reward. And for the monsters, you will get 10 candies, but unlike ghosts, you must tap on them 3 times. Ignore the pumpkins at all costs. If you accidentally tap on any pumpkin during the game, you will lose 14 candies, but if you let them grow, you will earn 16 candies. Also, if you miss ghosts, you will lose 2 candies, and for each monster, you will lose 4 candies. And you can try this game twice every day. Now let's continue with the gameplay. You can watch the tutorial to earn extra 200 candies. I already did it, so let's click on this play now button. Here you can see your health bar and the collected candies. As I said earlier, you must tap on ghosts once and tap on monsters 3 times to collect candies. You must do it for 60 seconds, and the more you have, the more chances you will have to be in the top 100 users. Now I will play it once for you to observe. Last but not least, you can invite your friends from your invitation links and earn extra candies for this event. The winners will receive rewards from the reward center at the end of the event. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with the upcoming airdrops and events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.